guys, welcome to today's video. It's your girl Laksmy and I am back with a new video. As you have seen on the title of this video, today I'm coming to you guys with a very highly requested video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my no makeup look. Now, this has been one of my favorite go-to styles of late because ever since my skin has been improving and it's been a lot healthier and doing so much better, I kind of want to flaunt it a lot more, so I wear a lot less makeup. So this is what I've been doing of late, just when I either have a lazy day and I don't really want to do too much, or if I just want my, my natural glow to shine through, this is what I like to do. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Laksmy. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you already clicked on this video. That means we love each other. That means we're family, gang. Another thing, hit that post notification bell so you can get notified whenever I make new uploads. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it because it really helps my channel whenever you guys give my videos thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, so I'm filming this video really quickly because I am actually on my lunch break and I have to be back soon. This video, I promise you guys, is the simplest video of all time. Literally, I already did my base stuff, which is my skincare, this morning. And if you guys want to go ahead and see that video or see how I do my base, my face prep, I'm gonna link it right here. You guys can click on that little thing here and go ahead and watch that video so you guys see how I got to where I'm at right now. So right now I'm wearing zero makeup. Completely zero makeup. This is my face and I have literally the sunlight hitting me directly in the face so you guys see exactly what my face looks like. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna start off with my concealer, and the concealer that I like to use is this one right here. This one has become one of my favorite concealers because it's so full coverage. It's very lightweight as well. It just makes my under eyes and my skin look really nice. This is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. It's a full mouthful. And what I like to do with this guy, I like to take it, and I'll probably zoom you guys in so you guys can see a little bit closer what I'm doing, but I'm gonna put my mirror here so I can see what I'm doing from a close up. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm all over the place today. Sorry about that. So yes, I like to grab a little brush like this. It looks like this. And it's a little bit dirty, but it's because of this. And what I like to do is I like to apply the product here. Now this product is pretty thick because it's very full coverage. This is the amount that I grab. And I literally just put that under my eye, like on my under eye. And I also like to use it on the spots where I feel like I have more discoloration, like around my nose. As you can see, I have like a little bit of redness here. And then I might have some little dark spots around my face that I also like to conceal with the concealer. It says Bye Bye Under Eye, but I use it for, all around the face concealing if I have to, because I love the full coverage of it. So yes, I'll put it around my nose. Let me take a little bit from here. I'll put it around my nose. And if I see any other little spots where I feel like, I might need a little bit of concealing. Mind you, I don't do a lot of spot covering just because my face is doing so well and I'm so proud of it that I don't really feel the need to cover much. Some of the marks that I have, I'm okay with at this point, but it's to your own preference how much you want to cover up and how much you don't want to cover up. So yes, I normally do in between my brows, just because I like to make sure that it is nice and covered up. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in a little bit with this brush. Bring it in down to the nose, so you guys can see. It's already coming together. Like honestly, this is it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and I'm just gonna just blend that in with the beauty blender. I put a little bit on my lid because my lid is a little bit, discolored or uneven toned. So wherever I applied that concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and just lightly tap it in just to sort of set it. And for my no makeup look, I honestly do not even apply powders. Like I let my face look and feel like it's just naturally perfect. Like I have nothing on. Like, I've seen a lot of women do their no makeup looks and they use a lot of makeup and it's a lot of steps. And honestly, mine is, it's simple. It's a no makeup look. Okay, so as you can see, my face already looks a lot more put together. It looks more even toned. I put this away because that's the only thing that I use this concealer for, honestly. And I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I like to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I use the shade Medium Brown. This is what it looks like. Honestly, one of my favorite things of all time. And I use this eyebrow brush. It's a dual-ended brush. It has the little brush side and then the spoolie. So I'll go ahead and use the spoolie just to brush the hairs towards one direction. And I'm gonna go in with this and just basically shape or sculpt my brows. And I literally just go along the lines of where my brow normally is at already. I don't really like over draw it or make them thicker or anything like that. I literally just like mold them or shape them, if it makes any sense. And this is how I do my eyebrows if I am doing my no makeup look. If you guys would like to see how I normally do my eyebrows, then let me know in the comments down below and I'll film that for you guys. So yeah, that's it. That's literally all I do to my brows. I just like to darken them a little bit more and make them look a little bit more defined. And then I'm gonna move on to my lashes. So for my lashes, I like to use a combination of mascaras, and it's these two right here, which are my two favorite mascaras. This one is by Thrive Cosmetics. I love this one because it has like lash extensions. I can't even speak today. And then you guys have probably heard me rave about this so many times on my channel. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara that honestly I love so much because it's so volumizing and so fulling, and I just love it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this one first, and then I'm gonna apply the microfiber one just to accentuate the length of my lashes. I don't really use eyelash curlers just because I've hurt myself a lot using them and I give up. I give it up. So, you know, yeah. So this is what they look like with the first coat of mascara, and then I'm gonna go in with this guy and just top that off. And I'm gonna go lightly in the bottom with this one. I don't really be applying mascara on my bottom lashes when I do this look, but sometimes I do. So yes, this is what it looks like so far. Next, I'm gonna go in with my blush, and one that I've been really liking. I like cream blushes when I do this look just because I don't have powders on, and I feel like the cream blends better with my skin. I'm gonna go in with this one by Fenty Beauty. This is their new cream blush, and this one is in the shade Daiquiri Drip, or Daiquiri Dip, sorry. Alrighty, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my fingers for this. Pick that color up. This is what it looks like. How pretty is that? And I'm gonna just lightly just tap it on my face. And I'm just trying to give myself like a little flushed look. I don't really want the blush to be very accentuated on my face. I love these blushes. Honestly, they're new. If you guys have not tried them, I definitely recommend you guys give these a try because, oh my God. So here you go. I automatically have a little bit of color and like blushiness to my skin. The last thing that I'm gonna do, well, not the last thing, the next thing before the last that I'm gonna do my lips. And what I like to do is a combination of these two. This is the Trestique Prime and Color Lip Glaze, and I got this in a boxy charm a while back, and it's sort of like a lip tint. And then this is my ColourPop Cosmetics Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF 2. And this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just grab this a little bit. You like pick it up with my finger and apply it. Just to give myself some color on the lips. Very lightly. And then I'm gonna get this pencil and brush it on top. Finally, what I like to do is go ahead and add some setting spray just so whatever makeup I did apply does not crease or run during the day. And that is pretty much it, literally. And that is it, you guys. This is my very simple, everyday, no makeup look. It looks very simple, very subtle. It looks like I have perfect skin, but I really don't. But I kind of do, but I don't, if you know what I mean. I know it's very simple, but again, I feel like the whole point of no makeup look is so that you look like, you know, you're not really wearing makeup. And even though you have some things on, it's still light, it's still fresh, you still feel refreshed, you still feel clean, lightweight, and not exaggerated. So yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, all that jazz. Also follow me on my social media platforms. I'm gonna be leaving them linked down below. Let me know in the comments down below what other kind of videos you guys would like to see next, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.